Hello and welcome to this video. I'm delighted to present Constellab, the full digital ecosystem for complex research and development projects. To register in Constellab, you can visit our website constellab.io. If you click on the button Get Started, you can start for free, or you can request a demo with an expert. I'm connected to Constellab using a demonstration account with Julie, and if you log in for the first time, you should have a similar dashboard. Constellab is organized by space. A space is a complete and secure digital ecosystem where you can organize your whole research and development activity. A space can be shared with your colleagues and partners. For example, you can have a collaborative space for your company, and you can create another collaborative space for a supplier or for a collaborative project with external partners. To give you an example of a collaborative space, I'm going to connect to this one named Biodata. As you can see, it's a completely new environment shared between 3 Constellab users. Constellab is a complete digital ecosystem because, as you can see on this dashboard, you will be able to federate your research and development projects, your teams, and you can also connect one or more digital labs. A digital lab is a virtual environment where scientists can perform various tasks related to their laboratory activities, such as data storage, data analysis and visualization, pipeline development, and more. Julie can access these 2 digital labs hosted on the cloud, allowing multiple users to collaborate simultaneously within the lab. An experiment is a procedure to conduct data analysis to explore or validate scientific hypotheses, or to process your data in a production mode. Each digital experiment provides a no-code playground to run ready-to-use processes in several domains like data science, bioinformatics, modeling, and more. Some processes are specialized scientific functions that are grouped into bricks that serve as a library. All tasks, protocols, and bricks developed by the community are open to everyone, and their use cases and documentation are accessible from Constellab community. For example, this pipeline represents a collection of tasks accessible from the uBiome brick, designed to process metabarcoding sequencing data. It receives 2 types of resources as input with green boxes: a folder containing paired-end sequencing files and a metadata file. The initial task conducts quality control and generates visualizations to assess the overall read quality. These visuals are designed to guide decision-making and fine-tune the parameters for the subsequent tasks. The next task infers amplicon sequence variants that are then used to assess the taxonomy and the diversity using integrated databases. All resources generated by the pipeline in pink boxes can then be used to make scientific reports using pre-configured graphics, or can be used to continue the analysis, for example, using machine learning tasks from the brick GINA. In Constellab, 2 popular tasks are smart tasks and live tasks. Smart tasks are frequently used by data biologists due to their intuitive and efficient nature. Smart tasks democratize and accelerate data analysis for all scientists, based on a conversational dashboard powered by OpenAI, which generates Python code, interactive charts, and tables automatically. In this example, only few seconds are necessary to create an experiment, add a data table, connect this data table to a smart task, and generate an interactive scatter plot using the 2 first columns. This figure can then be improved via the prompt, and the generated code in Python can also be reused, for example, in a live task. Live tasks are commonly used by scientists who are comfortable with programming. These tasks are fast and efficient tools to develop, test, use, and share R or Python code snippets from the playground. For example, these tasks can be used to increase an existing pipeline. If needed, bioinformaticians can create their own Constellab bricks using Constellab. Constellab is a pre-configured online IDE based on VS Code. Constellab also supports Jupyter Notebook files and R environments. All public pipelines, such as those from GitHub, can be effortlessly connected with Constellab, and then used in a no-code mode from Constellab. Let's see now how data are organized. You can access to your data and results from the data box where digital resources are stored. Users can upload digital resources into the data box or download them from external sources, such as another digital lab. Resources can encompass various types of objects, including data files, folders, tables, images, and more. All generated views are saved and accessible from the view box. These views can then be used to write scientific reports, like this one. When an initial version of the report is prepared for sharing with the project team, the report can be synchronized with the project along with its associated experiments. After the synchronization with the space, the project team is notified and the report is accessible to all project members from the project folder. A standard project folder contains diverse functionalities. On the right side, you can access to a chat where all members can discuss about the project. You can, for example, tag someone and this project member will receive a notification. From the central part, the team will access a repository where any type of document can be stored and shared. And the team can also access digital reports and digital experiments that have been created from a digital lab. All your project documents, technical reports, digital experiments, and daily discussions are in a unified location to facilitate seamless collaboration. I'm now back to the dashboard. Julie has access to these 3 collaborative projects that are managed by different members of the team. We are currently offering 2 types of projects. Projects with the pink logo are 1-level projects designed primarily for small-scale projects. It means that all your digital reports, experiments, and documents will be organized within a single directory. Projects with the purple logo are multi-level projects, so basically for biggest projects that need a hierarchical structure. For example, these types of projects can contain 1-level subprojects like this one. On the right side of the dashboard, you can see some key performance indicators. Just above, the support button is available if you need help. And the Community button opens a new page in your browser to access to Constellab Community. Community is designed to provide Constellab users with comprehensive assistance, resources, and guidance to ensure a smooth and successful experience. Community includes stories, a repository of articles, guides, and tutorials that cover a wide range of topics related to Constellab and its applications. Community also includes in-depth documentation that explains the functionalities and capabilities of the platform. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more information about Constellab, you can find us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and the Constellab Community website. Don't forget that you can get started with Constellab by visiting our website at constellab.io. See you soon!